Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we studied some important term. The chapter number first, geography, resources. In this lecture, we study the chapter resources. If any students have book, please open the page number on your books 267. Okay, students, let's start the chapter resources. At first, the term of resources. The term of resources defined as the raw material that are drawn from nature, drawn from, drawn from nature and used without much modifications. We use we use the natural materials without much modifications are known as resources. Important of resources. Important and of resources. Important of resources. In day routines life, we use resources. Without resources, we do not image a best life. And type of resources. Secondly, we read type of resources. There are two types of resources: natural resources and human made resources. Natural resources, for example, just like sun, land, water, coal, and minerals. And other is human made resources: road, railways, buildings, parks. In human made resources, there are interference of humans. In natural resources, there is no interference of humans being. After this, we discuss about division of natural resources. टाइप ऑफ रिसोर्सेज के बाद जो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज हैं, टाइप ऑफ रिसोर्सेज में कितने टाइप्स स्टूडेंट्स? टू टाइप्स. फर्स्ट इज़ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, सेकंड इज़ ह्यूमन मेड रिसोर्सेज. अब जो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज हैं उनका हम अलग अलग बेस पे डिवीज़न करेंगे और उनकी स्टडी करेंगे. एट फर्स्ट वी डिविजन्स नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ origin. First is on the basis of origin and second is basis of stages of development and usability. And third is basis of renewability and fourth is basis of distributions. In this type of distributions and division of natural resources, at first basis of origin, there are two types basis of origins: biotic resources and abiotic resources. Biotic resources, all living things are including in biotic resources. All living things including in that resources, students. All living things including only biotic resources. Abiotic resources, non-living things that are known as inorganic or non-living resources. For examples, soils, rocks, minerals are abiotic resources. Clear the point, students? On the basis of origins, resources are two type. First is biotic resources, second is abiotic resources. Biotic resources में कौन से? Living organisms. Abiotic resources में non-living organisms. And second is division of natural resources on the basis of stages of development. First is actual resources and second is potential resources. Actual resources are those resources whose quantity is known. Actual resources में कौन से? whose quantity is known as actual resources. Potential resources, entire quantity may not be known and are not being used. Okay, students. For example, wind mills. Third is on the basis of renewability. On the basis of renewability, all the students read in previous classes renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources, do you know? Water energy, wind energy, solar energy are renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are fossil fuels, coal, petroleum, diesels are non-renewable resources. And last is on the basis of distribution, eubiotic resources and localized resources. eubiotic resources में स्टूडेंट्स क्या होगा? ओनली आप सिंपली ये टर्म याद रखिएगा. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस में, eubiotic resources में क्या फाउंड एवरीवेयर फॉर एग्जाम्पल लैंड एयर वाटर्स फाउंड एवरीवेयर। एंड लास्ट इज हमारा लोकलाइज्ड रिसोर्सेज सेंटर प्लेसेस, क्या होगा इनका सेंटर प्लेस्ड, अगर इनका एक सर्टेन प्लेस क्या हो डिसाइड हो तो उसको क्या कहेंगे हम, लोकलाइज्ड रिसोर्सेज। जैसे हमारी कॉपर मिल्स हैं, डायमंड्स मिल हैं, गोल्ड माइंस हैं, ये क्या है एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया के अंदर है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, in this lecture we discuss only in these points. In next lecture we start the chapter again. Okay students, listen the lecture carefully and clear the concept. If you have any problems, you underline the points and ask me again.